Malmö, a dynamic and cosmopolitan city in the southern part of Sweden, is a vibrant destination that seamlessly blends modernity with historical charm, offering a diverse array of experiences for visitors. From its innovative architecture and cultural attractions to its lively culinary scene and scenic waterfront, Malmö captivates travelers with its unique blend of old and new. Malmö's most iconic landmark, the Turning Torso, is a masterpiece of contemporary architecture designed by Santiago Calatrava. This twisting skyscraper stands as a symbol of the city's transformation and ambition. Exploring the Västra Hamnen, Western Harbor district, where the Turning Torso is located, reveals a modern urban area featuring sustainable architecture, scenic promenades, and waterfront living. The city's historical heart lies in Gamla Staden, the Old Town, with its charming cobblestone streets, medieval buildings, and quaint squares. Stortorget, the main square, is surrounded by colorful facades and hosts outdoor markets and cultural events. The Malmöhus Castle, a medieval fortress-turned-museum, offers a fascinating journey through history with its exhibitions on art, history, and natural science. Malmö's waterfront is a hub of activity and relaxation. The Ribersborg Beach and Promenade offer a serene setting for leisurely walks and picnics. The city's beach culture is complemented by modern attractions like the Ribersborgs Kolbadhus, a historic open-air bathhouse that provides a rejuvenating experience of Scandinavian sauna and sea bathing. The city's commitment to sustainability is evident in its parks and green spaces. Kungsparken, a picturesque park in the heart of Malmö, features lush gardens, a tranquil pond, and the iconic Malmöhus Castle as a backdrop. Folkets Park, a beloved local hangout, offers open-air concerts, cultural events, and family-friendly activities. Malmö's multicultural ambience is reflected in its culinary scene. The city is a melting pot of international flavors, with restaurants offering dishes from around the world. Exploring Malmövangstorget, known as Malin, provides a glimpse into Malmö's diverse food culture with its ethnic markets and eateries. The city's commitment to the arts is showcased in its numerous galleries, theaters, and cultural events. The Moderna Museet Malmö offers contemporary art exhibitions, while the Malmö Live Concert Hall hosts performances by renowned artists. The Malmö Festival, one of Sweden's largest city festivals, transforms the streets into a vibrant cultural playground with music, food, and entertainment. Whether you're exploring modern architecture, indulging in global cuisine, strolling through historical streets, enjoying waterfront relaxation, immersing yourself in cultural experiences, or simply embracing Malmö's dynamic and diverse atmosphere, a visit to this captivating city promises an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Sweden's urban vibrancy, cultural richness, and forward-thinking spirit, leaving a lasting impression on all who venture into its